स्टार प्लस का पॉपुलर ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, जिसको बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मिला है अपने ऑडियंस एंड फैंस से। मोहिना कुमारी, जो कि प्ले करती थी कीर्ति का कैरेक्टर इन द शो, was recently tested positive for COVID-19. Well, not only her, her entire family was tested positive. Well, the actress was very low and we all remember that she was a little upset over the same thing but was acting very strong for the entire family. But now the good news is that finally Mohina recover kar chuki hai and now she's been home quarantined and has been following the social distancing norms. Well, post the coronavirus battle, Mohina got into an exclusive chat with the leading portal. Well, she talked about how positivity is needed and how mental stability is needed while dealing with such anxiety. Mohina ne do's and don'ts reveal kara while you're being tested positive for COVID, and also if you're tested positive, what should you be doing post that? Disclosing how initial few days was so difficult for her, Mohina shared that she felt shaken when they realized that they had been tested positive for coronavirus, but more than physical, it was mental pressure. It is just that when you hear that you have got exposed to the virus, you just feel so shaken. उन्होंने ये तक बताया कि एक रात पहले जब टेस्ट लिए गए थे, she was very anxious. She said that going into physically, I had body ache for 3 to 4 days. I had intense pain and that was unbearable. She also shared कि कैसे उनकी mother-in-law का fever बढ़ते ही जा रहा था और घटने का नाम नहीं ले रहा था. And that is something जो mental level पे आपके साथ खेल खेलता है, जो आपको बहुत ही परेशान और upset कर देता है. और बुजुर्ग लोगों के लिए ये situation can be very tricky. And hence Mohina was very scared. She further emphasized that it is essential for all of us to be selfless instead of being selfish in our own approach towards the battle against the pandemic. Be selfless instead of being selfish. That's all we can do. And that's all we did. We put our stress into taking care of our people, shared Mohina. When asked about how they kept the spirit of the family members high, because regardless of how strong you are, one tends to feel low in such situations, Mohina shared, well, we used to just peek from our doors and just ask each other if we are fine. It was not to break rules or anything. You indeed get low, you are getting low at a point, everybody will get into a depression zone. But you have to identify that thing and be always positive. She further emphasized कि कैसे डिप्रेशन एक काला होल है जो आपको अंदर खींच लेता है अपने अंदर. वो आपको इतना परेशान करता है कि आपके मन में बहुत ही अजीब तरह के ख्याल घूमते हैं. It is your prerogative to get out of it. You can only do it by realizing that you're getting sucked in that black hole. मोहिना ने आगे ये तक बताया कि कैसे उनको 9वें-10वें दिन पे एंजाइटी अटैक्स होने लग गए थे, कैसे उन्हें एंजाइटी फील होता था और उस दौरान उनके पति सुयश रावत उनके लिए एक सहारे की तरह थे. She communicated with him efficiently and also he helped her out of it. On the 9th or the 10th day, it was getting too much for me. What really happened was my husband. I had a lot of anxiety on those days, but I just held his hand, stood and took a positive energy from him. She finally pointed out the communication is imperative at such a point and that one should refrain from shutting themselves up. Well, मोहिना ने बताया कि कैसे ऐसे मुसीबत के समय पे आपस में बात करना ही आपके लिए सबसे बेस्ट सोल्यूशन है, क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में इतने सारी चीजें घूम रही होती हैं कि कभी भी कुछ भी स्टेप उठाना गलत हो जाता है. इसीलिए communication is the main key. Also, keeping a communication is important. Everybody is different. If you keep things within yourself, you become a heavy person and keep suppressing yourself. You need to keep the energies going. Well, we wish speedy recovery to the complete family and we are really glad कि Mohina finally safe and sound अपने घर आ चुकी है. You do drop your wishes for Mohina and her family in the comment sections below. Until then, keep following Telechocker for all the more updates for the Tele World. All about the Tele World by subscribing to Telechocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.